Hi, I'm Thorsten, a service technician at Kärcher.
Starting route.
I started just after 6 in the morning.
Please follow the yellow line.
I review my working day on my laptop to see where all my jobs are. Then I get the car, check whether the goods are there and then set off. There's a lot of variety to my job and not only the terms of customers. And of course we travel everywhere. I'm talking about mountains, cities, villages and the countrysides. I coordinate myself a little bit. Of course, I always check in with my dispatcher if something urgent comes up. You could say that every day has its little wow moment. You head out and the customers explain the problem. You think, But after an hour also you are able to say, here's a working machine back, dear customer. Then I can come out and say, wow, absolutely, that's how it is supposed to run. The jobs we are given are really diverse. It might be a giant electronics retailer, the automotive industry, a tiny backyard workshop or even a private customer in some cases. They too will have a professional system and they too might need some assistance from time to time. I'm a football coach on the side. It's easy to balance that with my work as a service technician.
Wunderbar, Wipper.